Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can truly transform the way you travel. We discovered the Travel-Wise Packing Cubes, a 5-piece luggage organizer set, and you can find the link in the description to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these packing cubes? The Travel-Wise Packing Cubes are designed to help you stay organized while you travel. This set includes 5 different cubes, 1 small, 2 medium, and 2 large. Each cube gives you a dedicated space for your clothes, accessories, and travel essentials, ensuring that your luggage remains neat and tidy from the moment you leave home until you arrive at your destination. One of the standout features of these packing cubes is their snug, structured design. This feature is particularly important for those of us who dread arriving at our destination to find our carefully packed clothes in a wrinkled mess. The Travel-Wise cubes help keep your clothing compressed and in place during transit, which significantly reduces the chances of wrinkles. This means you can unpack your bags and put on your outfits right away, without the need for ironing or steaming. Durability is another key highlight. The exterior of these packing cubes is made from poly ripstop material, which is not only lightweight but also resistant to tears and abrasions. This feature is especially useful for those who frequently travel and need luggage organizers that can withstand the rigors of various travel environments. Whether you're using them in carry-on luggage, checked bags, backpacks, or travel duffel bags, these packing cubes are a reliable choice. Now, let's talk about practicality. The Travel-Wise Packing Cubes feature a breathable mesh panel on the front, allowing airflow to keep your contents fresh. This is particularly helpful if you're packing items that may need a bit of ventilation. Plus, each cube has a built-in webbing handle, making it easy to lift them out of your suitcase without having to unpack everything else. No more digging through your bag just to find that one shirt you need. These packing cubes are suitable for a wide range of travelers. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a weekend getaway enthusiast, or someone planning a long international trip, these cubes are designed with you in mind. Families will appreciate the organization they provide, especially during chaotic trips where keeping track of everyone's belongings can be a challenge. They're also great for cruise vacations, where space is often limited and organization is key. Now, let's get into some practical use cases. Imagine you're heading out for a week-long vacation. You can use the large cubes for bulkier items like jackets or shoes, the medium cubes for everyday outfits, and the small cube for accessories like belts, ties, or even toiletries. If you're packing for a family trip, each family member can have their own color-coded cube, making it easy to keep everyone's belongings separate and organized. In addition to their practicality, these packing cubes are easy to care for. You can simply hand wash them and hang them to dry, ensuring that they're ready for your next adventure. The fun pattern design also adds a bit of personality to your luggage, making it easy to spot your cubes quickly amidst a sea of other bags. In summary, the Travel-Wise Packing Cubes are a fantastic investment for anyone looking to streamline their travel experience. With their durable construction, organized design, and ease of use, they truly make packing and unpacking a breeze. Thanks for watching.